Welcome back to the channel. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get to it. As you can see, there's something a bit different with this video. I finally set up my new studio. So this video is just going to be me going over what I did, just showing you the few steps I've done just to improve the studio experience. I'll show you the new desk I've got, show you the new banner I've put up on the wall finally. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this quick time lapse. Anyway, as you can see, I've got the banner up on the wall, made a few adjustments to the hanging fittings. So I've got them up there, pinned it back, got my comfy chair, but most importantly, I've got my brand new desk. You can see the light I used to film with, and you see I put the LEDs all the way around the table edge here. Stuck them down with little connectors, all the way around, even up onto here. We've got the remote, so you've got all the colours. Still need to work out a power solution, but I'm working on that. So yeah, this is what I see when I'm filming a video. Got the old setup in the corner there. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the new desk. Got some shelves,